For the Unit 2, Lesson 8 worksheet for nouns, concrete, abstract, and collective, please be sure to put both your name and your homeroom class at the top of your paper. The worksheet says, concrete nouns name things that you can recognize with your senses. Abstract nouns name ideas, qualities, or feelings. A collective noun gives a single name to a group of individuals. When referring to a group as a unit, the noun is singular. When referring to the individual members of the group, the noun is plural. Here are some examples. The mob was waiting at the door for the store to open. So mob is a unit and it's singular. Mob is a collective noun and it's referring to only one mob. In the second example, it says, the panel are discussing the issues with each other. So the word panel is referring to the individual members, and it is plural because the members of that panel are discussing something together. So here are some examples of concrete nouns: inventor, city, calendar, and jazz. There are some examples of abstract nouns: idea, progress, time, and culture. And examples of collective nouns include crowd, committee, family, and team. Taking a look at exercise 1, it tells you to write in the blank concrete or abstract to identify the type of noun in italics. I've highlighted the nouns for you. In the example, it says, the boys had great sympathy for Juan's situation. So, in order to figure out if it's concrete or abstract, ask yourself the question highlighted on the screen in yellow. Can I see, hear, smell, taste, or touch it? If you can, it's a concrete noun. If you can't, it's an abstract noun. So, we know that we can't see, hear, smell, taste, or touch sympathy, so it is an abstract noun. Let's do some of them together. 1. Why did Sharon begin playing the tuba? Can I see, hear, smell, taste, or touch a tuba? Why, yes, I can. That means it is a concrete noun. 2. The entire house was decorated with excellent taste. Can I see, hear, smell, taste, or touch someone's taste in decorations? Well, I could touch the decorations, but not someone's taste in them. So that means it's an abstract noun. Question 3. Barry's adoration for his grandmother brought her much joy. Can I see, hear, smell, taste, or touch joy? No, I can't, making this another example of an abstract noun. On your own, please finish 4 through 15. Let's take a look at exercise 2. Exercise 2 says, draw 2 lines under the verb that agrees with the collective noun or subject. So that means that the verb or action word must match the collective noun. So if it's plural or singular, I'm going to need to choose a different noun. In the example, it says, the band is or are polishing their instruments before the competition. In this case, it would be appropriate to choose are because they are referring to the band as plural. I know that because there is plural, and so I must choose are. 1. A new committee has been or have been formed to plan the field trip. Because it says a new committee, I know it's singular. It's talking about a single committee. because it's singular, I would choose has been. 2. The team selects or select their officers by secret ballot. Because there is a pronoun referring to team, and I know that there is plural, I know that team is plural. So in this case, I need to select selects, which is the plural form of the verb select. Remember, plural means more than one. 3. The Audubon Society promotes the conservation of wild birds. Because it says the Audubon Society, the typically refers to one, letting me know that I'm talking about one Audubon Society, so it is singular. Because it is singular, I need to select the singular form of the verb promote, which is promotes. 4. The audience is or are aware that they were lucky to get tickets. It could be singular because it says the audience, but later in the sentence it also uses the word they to refer to the audience, telling me that it's plural. Because it's plural, I need to choose the plural form of the verb, which is are. 5. Because it is fed only once daily, the flock eats or eat very fast. Because it is fed only once daily, the flock, it is singular, as is the word the, telling me that the verb needs to be singular because flock is singular in this particular instance. Please complete 6 through 15 on your own. For the final writing link question, please write a short paragraph. You can write about any topic that you like, but in your paragraph, you must use examples of concrete, abstract, and collective nouns.